Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to play prop hunt game mode in Call of Duty. So this is a fun and unique mode, but it's not always available. So without wasting any more time, let's just jump in. First, it's important to know that prop hunt is a seasonal game mode. That means it only shows up during special events, usually during holidays like New Year, Christmas or Halloween. So if you don't see it right now in your game, don't worry. It just means that the mode isn't currently active and you will need to wait for next event cycle. So now let me tell you how to play the game. So all you have to do is just simply open the Call of Duty Mobile and come to the lobby, which you can see right over here. Then we will use a private match to see if the prop hunt mode is currently available. So what you have to do is just simply tap on the multiplayer option. Then tap on the three horizontal line at the top right corner of the multiplayer screen, and now just simply choose private, and over here it should start creating a private match. Over here you will see a pop-up menu in the settings. Just simply click on confirm. Now just simply click on the game mode section, which is at the bottom left hand side corner just above the start section, and over here just simply select on core. After that, just simply scroll over here in this section until you find prop hunt. So just simply scroll over here and then you should be able to see prop hunt. And now just simply click on confirm. And if you don't see prop hunt listed over here, double check that your app is updated. If it is still missing, that just means the mode isn't available at the moment. So once the prop hunt is selected, you are good to go. Invite your friends from your friend list and enjoy the classic hide and seek fun of prop hunt, where one team hides as objects and the other hunts them down. That's it. You now know how to check for and play prop hunt in Call of Duty Mobile. If the mode isn't showing up, don't worry, just keep an eye out during the future events period. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends and subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos. So thank you for watching and take care.